and you're going to want to just use this to look for any egregious skinning issues. In general, we do not want this to be a final skinning, but we do want to get rid of any severe situations. For example, here, you can see that the hair is bending very strangely. You can see here that the hair, again, it's another egregious situation. And the hammer weights tool is going to help us clear it up very quickly. Make sure to scrub across the entire timeline, and you'll find situations like these where the hammer skin weights will actually only get you halfway. You're going to want to paint the weights properly. The back of the knees also are common for deformation issues. Once you are done, make sure that you remove the animations and test to make sure that the timeline is clear of any animation keys. Okay, let's move on to step 3, validating the pose. First thing is we're going to want to select every single control. You can do that through this tool here. By selecting the all button, it will select every control. Just like that. Then we just want to set a key at frame 0 and at frame 10. Let's reduce the timeline. So key at 0 and then a key at 10. Now let's prepare the reference. We're going to create a new perspective camera, and we're going to make sure to rename it the concept pose underscore camera, or cam. We're going to want to split the scene into 2 viewports like this. And on the left, that's where we want to create the new perspective. It's going to be useful to get rid of these particular items from the viewport. On the left viewport only. Bring the camera up top and make sure to rename it. Now we're going to want to create the concept folder in the roots of the character folder, assuming it wasn't already created. In Part4, go to the characters folder and add a new folder, a new concept folder. Now you're going to want to save the concept image inside that folder. A very quick way to do this is to use the Windows snipping tool. Increase the size of the image to make sure you can get enough resolution. Then you use the snipping tool and paint to quickly save the file in the proper location. Make sure to follow the naming convention, the name of the character underscore front, and make sure it's a JPEG. Now we're going to bring the concept image into the image plane inside of Maya. So make sure the viewports were prepared. We did this step already by setting them up side by side. And now we're going to adjust the concept pose camera. So first we are going to set the near clip plane to 0.9. Now we're going to align the concept pose camera with the image plane. We're going to do this by adjusting the size of the image, the FOV of the camera, and the angle of the camera. We want to first increase the depth to around 1100 just to push it behind the character. After that, we want to adjust the focal length. 90 seems to be a good starting point. We're also going to need to adjust the size of the image. The goal is to align the eyes of the character and make sure that the feet are also aligned. Those are the two most important spots.